Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to play eFootball with your friends. So let's get started. At first let's get into this dream team, that is match. Now click on friend match, and if you want to play 1 versus 1 match you can get into this, or if you want a group you can get into this one. You can choose any of this. Let me go on this one. You can create a password or simply continue, and here one room is created. Simply copy this room and you can share this room number to your friend through any medium. Once your friend gets the room number, they can enter into this section called search match room. So let's get into it and paste the room number, and we can enter the same room to continue playing the match. So this is all we can do to play eFootball with friends. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.